This is a human design body graph. Every person has a unique chart. Body graph is like a map that shows how you work energetically. In this chart, you see 9 energy centers, each center related to different aspects of life, such as emotions, life force, the way we think, love and direction, and so on. Some centers in the chart are colored in, and others are white. The colored-in centers connected with solid lines, called channels, represent the parts of you that are consistent, your natural strength, talents, and the energy you bring into the world. Those themes stay with you through your life. That is what you can trust in making decisions. The white centers are different. They show where you're open and receptive, where you take in energy from others. This openness is where you can become wise, but it can be also where we feel overwhelmed and confused, especially if we mistake other people's energy for our own. In a human design overview session, we explore this map together so you can understand how you're designed to make decisions and move through life with more clarity.